Have you ever wondered why some e-commerce companies thrive in the face of stiff competition, while others struggle to survive? It's no secret that the world of e-commerce is a challenging battlefield. Every company, big or small, is constantly fighting for its share of the market. The key to winning this battle lies in the strategic deployment of growth strategies. Take, for example, the case of a small online retailer who managed to carve out a niche for itself in the saturated market of fashion accessories. The company faced competition from industry giants who dominated the market. However, by focusing on offering unique handcrafted accessories and providing exceptional customer service, this company was able to differentiate itself and thrive amidst intense competition. Another important growth strategy revolves around customer loyalty. Consider the case of an online grocery store that went above and beyond to retain its customers. The company implemented a personalized marketing strategy, offering tailored discounts based on customers' shopping habits. Coupled with outstanding customer service and robust after-sales support, the company was able to foster strong relationships with its customers, encouraging repeat business. Operational efficiency is another critical area for e-commerce businesses. A case in point is an online electronics retailer that faced significant challenges in managing inventory and logistics. By implementing smart supply chain solutions, the company was able to navigate fluctuating demands, logistical complexities in new markets, and regulatory environments, all without compromising customer satisfaction. Finally, trust is a cornerstone of any successful e-commerce strategy. A skincare brand, for example, leveraged customer testimonials and showcased real success stories to build a credible image and solidify consumer trust. This approach proved to be effective, enhancing the brand's market presence and boosting customer confidence. In conclusion, the road to e-commerce success is paved with challenges. But with the right growth strategies in place, any company can overcome these hurdles and thrive in the competitive digital marketplace. From distinguishing yourself from competitors to building customer trust and overcoming operational challenges, these strategies can help secure a dominant market position and drive sustainable growth. So if you're ready to electrify your e-commerce growth, why not reach out to StackProof today? Our team of experts is ready and waiting to help you master the market and unleash your potential.